Hello students, welcome to lecture 1 of polynomials. Now in earlier classes like 7 and 8, we have come across the terms called variables, literals, okay, constants and so on. And also the term known as algebraic expressions, right? We also know that there were three types of algebraic expressions: monomials, then binomials, and then trinomials. These all algebraic expressions are nothing else but they are called polynomials. Okay, poly means many. Now, if I give you an algebraic expression of the form 4x square minus 3x plus 2, then we call it that it is the algebraic expression in the variable x. Okay, this is called the algebraic expression in the variable x, and so it is also known as polynomial. Correct? This is also known as polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but it is an algebraic expression with one or more terms. Okay, it is an algebraic expression only. Now, if the same algebraic expression I take 4x square minus 3x plus 2, then over here 4 and minus 3 are the coefficients. They are coefficients of the variable x. Correct? And these coefficients are real number. They are always real number. And here 2 is the constant. Okay? 4 and minus 3 are the coefficients of the variable x and 2 is the constant. And this algebraic we can say it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here c is nothing but constant. Now, how to denote this polynomial? See, this is an algebraic expression, but if we want to denote it, we can write p of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 2. Similarly, all the functions which we can use are p of x, f of x, q of x, r of x, s of x, etc. If the variable is y, the same thing you can write p of y, f of y, q of y, and so on. If the variable is z, you can write the same. Okay. Now these all are nothing but the functions whose domain is a set of real numbers. Okay, they are set of real numbers are. Now another important thing is these variables which we have got in the polynomial, they are x square and x. These two variables are always having powers which are non-negative. That is, in a polynomial, the variable will always have non-negative power. Okay, so if I want to understand it more easier and very clearly, then there are main 3 points, that is main points to understand regarding the polynomials in a very easier language, that is power of variables x, y, z, etc. are always non-negative. They can never be negative. Secondly, the coefficients of x is always a real number. And thirdly, we know that polynomial is nothing but it is an algebraic expression with one or more terms. Okay, now we can say that polynomials means many. Okay, an expression with one variable is called polynomial. Polynomial is always having only one kind of variable. Okay, we can, the third thing we can say that an expression with one variable, that is anything, x, y, z or any, is called a polynomial. So polynomial can be defined in many ways. Okay, that is the variable. We can write expression with variable x, with y, with z, anything, and it's denoted by f of x, p of x, q of x, etc. Okay, suppose if I give you f of y is equal to 2y cube plus 3y square minus 2y minus 1, this I can say that it is the polynomial, okay, with the variable y. Okay, now, and we can say the general form is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c of an algebraic expression. Okay, so in this polynomial, which are the terms? In the above polynomial, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. How many coefficients are there? 1, 2 and 3, and there are variables with non-negative powers. This is the basic explanation of polynomials. Here I end my lecture. We will meet in another lecture with more understanding of polynomials and sums ahead. After every lecture, I will be sending you the practice sums once we start polynomials properly. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.